So go ahead and put glue on the petal and roll it. Right around your wire stem. And don't burn your fingers. Good job not saying a bad word there. Beautiful. So you did the flat side to the center. You can talk, you know. We should be posting this to your channel. Just keep going around until you get the flower to the desired thickness. That's what they look like. You have very pretty nails. Beautiful. And there you have it. You can make it as big or as small a rose as you think you need. There's that one. Here's the one I was working on the other day, the petals for that color. And we're going to keep making these by the hundreds of petals until we're ready for the wedding. You guys have a great day. Thank you, Rebel Canners.